And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video. I almost was about to say banger interesting video, then I sort of noticed that it's the same. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. So they literally came out with 3. Well, technically it's like 5 or 6, but I already did those ones when they came out with it like individually, but now they have like 5 or I think it's 5 or 6 summer flavor blizzards. So like I said, I already did 3 when they came out with it, but they have 3 brand new. I think this and some peach and some other things. So I will be trying them and ranking them just to see how it is sitting. And i'm a I'm a peanut butter guy, because I remember when I was younger, but me and my cousins used to make like peanut butter sandwiches, and then we would like race to eat it. Bro, that's how I know I'm destined to do this, especially when I do challenges. I think, yeah, that's just how it is. So, peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. Bro, this, like I said, this is mouth-watering. This should be very, 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 very interesting. Because I've never had peanut butter in a blizzard or any different form before. This is literally mouth-watering. So, here we go. Mm. Oh, oh my god. Mm. Mm. Oh, bro. This is literally blowing my mind right now. Like, I'm so used to peanut butter being in like a jar, but the peanut butter flavor in this is rich. Mm. Bro, I think this may be one of the most interesting blizzard I've ever tried. It's like it's like when you're used to stuff being like in a certain way, and then you try the same thing or something similar in a different form. It's mind blowing. Mm. And you know, when when I first saw it, I was like, peanut butter? Like I said, they came out with 3, and then I was like, I'm gonna try the peanut butter one first. Mm. Oh my god. And this is actually medium, by the way. Bro, I swear, every time I try a new blizzard, I always say it's medium. Because of the size. Mm. Oh my god. Bro. Mm. Well, I literally just remember I'm trying it, not doing an eating challenge. Mm. I had like quarter already, bro. Mm. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 9 out of 10. As the reason for that is like the flavor, like it's rich. And when I mean rich, I mean like I literally feel like I'm eating peanut butter, but frozen with something else. Like it's so strange, bro. Like I said, I'm used to peanut butter being like in a jar and it's like room temperature, depending on how you store it, and then you just put it on the toast bread. I'm used to it being like that, but I literally like, oh my god, it's still blowing my mind. Like the taste is literally there. You know, like most times whenever you try stuff, it's like flavored. It's like the taste is, it's like the flavor is there. Sorry, it's like it's there, but it's not there. But this, literally, like it's literally busting. Like literally, I think this is one of the most interesting flavors I've ever tried from Dairy Queen. Especially something that I'm used to. Like Oreo, I like Oreo, so I'm sort of like used to it. But stuff like this definitely caught me off guard. Sorry, I'm even stuttering. Peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. Talk about a game changer. I even forgot what the other two were called. Like I wasn't even focusing on the other name, bro. Wait, I wasn't even focusing on the other names. There we go. Like it's literally blowing my mind, bro. So I think I'm gonna try the other two later down. Like they came out with, I think one was like cotton candy. I already did that. So it's like they bring back three or two, one that they had from a while ago, and then they add three new one. So I'm guessing all of them is new, but the ones that they came out with like last year, because the cotton candy one I already did that one already like a while ago, so they have it back. It makes no sense for me to try that again because I already did it. And they had was it brownie batter? That too, and the Rolo. So I already did. How come I remember those ones? Oh, I already did it. That's why I remember. So they have those on the summer list for the blizzards, and then they came out with this and two other new ones. So these are new. The other ones are like I will call them like old new. They are new. Like they were new one time, then they didn't have it, and now they have it again. That's the best way to explain that. But this is literally, this is a very interesting thing. I'm gonna crush this right after this video is done. No cap. But bro, like I think they came out, no, not summer, not last summer. It was last fall, like when it was almost Halloween in October. That's when they came out with like 5 new flavors for the fall. But now they came out with all those stuff again for the summer. So you guys already know me. Bro, if it's new and it's interesting, well, if it's new and interesting and I'm not allergic, I'm getting it. So I think after this, edit this video, post it, then I'm gonna have to go hunt down the other flavors. Like a lot of places been coming out with stuff for a while. I think it's been like 2 months. It's been 2 months I've been like trying stuff back to back because like I said in most of my videos when I try stuff, if I wait too long, I'm gonna miss it. So in order for me to like not miss it and stay on track, I literally have to get up every single day and like get stuff going like one by one. Because I already made the mistake once, like waiting to try them, and then I was like, when I go down there, they don't have it. So I was like, you know what? Ever since that day, as soon as I drop it and I see it, boom, I'm getting it. Once I try it, it's out of the way, boom, on to the next. And ever since I did that, then I notice I'm trying, like, I get a chance to try more stuff because I don't wait. Because, like, promotions last, like, couple weeks, maybe a month, maybe two, then, especially McDonald's. McDonald's is crazy. Every 2 or 3 weeks, they have something new. So yeah, 9 out of 10 hands down. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Do I recommend it? Absolutely yes. If you are allergic to peanut butter, then no. If you're allergic to cookie dough, then no. If you don't like Dairy Queen, then no. If you're lactose intolerant, then no. But if you like peanut butter and you're not lactose intolerant and you like cooking on these things, this may be your go-to stuff. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more stuff. You're going to enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.